To change the subject just slightly, over your course here now, can you give us what was the biggest lesson you've learned or what was the most expensive mistake?
Let me tell you, if we start counting mistakes, there is barrage of it. And your show won't be long enough for me to even cover a few mistakes I've made. But you also have to understand, here is a guy coming from India, could barely speak English, has no knowledge of business in this country, and trying to do business. Okay. And so I went through all these phases of, I just was very fortunate and lucky that every time I made a mistake, by the time I realized, somehow things worked out for me. And I wouldn't say mistake, but I think what everybody should know, and I probably knew that because of my business background, that I never entertained a business where I did not have an ability to withstand the drawdown. And being a physician, I had a constant income coming. That's one advice I'll, if anybody wants any advice, I don't think I'm strong enough or bright enough to give advice to anybody. But if there is one, I would say never give up your daytime job. After from 1991 till today, I still have my daytime job. If I have to go and expand that job from 1 day a month to 30 days a month, nobody's stopping me. So never give up your daytime job. Do everything on the extra time and the extra money that you have,